welcome back to the V Experience. If you're new here, my name is Veronica, but you can call me V or Ronnie, whichever you prefer. I make hair, lifestyle, and food videos. So I have quite a few videos, so if you want to pause this and go play a little bit catch up or watch it afterwards, I'll greatly appreciate it. And if you do enjoy the videos, please make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. That way we can kind of push me into the algorithm and other people, get to see this video. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that way when I drop a video, you are notified. And before I get into the As I Am review, I just want to say that I'm so close to reaching my 100 subscriber goal. So thank you to all the individuals who subscribed over the past few weeks. I greatly appreciate it, and I'm hoping that by the end of the year I have 100 subscribers. Hopefully this is like one of the few last videos I have to say. Hopefully it's the last video I have to say, like, on the road. I only got a few more weeks, so I'm gonna keep hustling. But yeah, so let's get into today's video, which is going to be As I Am review. As I promised a few videos back when I was doing 3 different type of hairstyles, I briefly was talking, kind of raving a little bit about As I Am, but I wanted to use the products again to make sure that I actually felt that way. So in the next scene or clips, you're going to just see me doing my normal hair routine, and then the normal kind of talking about pros, cons, however I felt about just the use and just managing the product like within my hair. So alright, let's get right into it. Alright, let's talk about water before we talk about any kind of product. I always have to make sure my hair is drenched, soaking wet in water in order for it to pretty much interact with whatever product I put in. And also I'm going to briefly show you before and after kind of clip of what I was working with before. It was matted, tangly, a lot of shrinkage, no definition, but I had it in a pony puff for about a week and a few days. So that was expected. I really didn't take care of it like I should have. But water always does a trick before I do anything else. Now let's talk about the shampoo. So with this specific line is from As I Am is the Restore and Repair that's infused with Jamaican black castor oil. This is what the shampoo is claiming to do. So Jamaican black castor oil with vitamin C and E. So this particular product increases hair moisture by 7% after one application, improves ease of combing by 34%, makes detangling of coils and curls easier by 32%, reduces breakage by 96%, hair strength improves by 6% after one use. Now, we'll have to say my hair did not feel stripped whatsoever. I double cleansed my hair now just to make sure it's thoroughly being clean. And it did not feel like it was stripped whatsoever. It was very soft. It was easy to distribute the product throughout my hair, and to where I got a nice foamy consistency going on, and I was just easily able to detangle just like what it said. It was easy to use the product, and it washed right out. It didn't take long. I feel like some shampoos I used in the past, for some reason I feel like it takes forever to rinse out, but this one, it lathered on just nice, and it rinsed off just nice as well. So overall, I'm very pleased with the shampoo. Alright, let's talk about the co-wash that I used. I know co-wash is supposed to be replaced with the shampoo, but I didn't feel end up wanting to get the conditioner, and I do feel like if I get the conditioner, it would have just brought probably my hair to a whole nother level, but it still did what needed to be done, and that's all that matters to me. So no judgment over here, but this is what it claims to do. Increase hair moisture by 12% after one application, improves ease of combing by 29%, makes detangling of coils and curls easier by 37%, and 4% increase in hair strength after one use. Not too sure about the whole strength part that it's claiming, but I feel like if I continue to use this line, I probably will see results. I will have to say it does moisturize my hair to the max. It's not too overpowering. It's just enough. like it lathers on really nice. It almost kind of just melts into my hair, and it is easy to detangle. But again, I do a really good job of detangling during my shampoo, so I don't really kind of do it again during the co-wash unless I really feel like I need to. But I will say my hair clumped on a whole different level. Like my hair clumped before, but something about this specific line my hair just loves. It was really smooth and it was almost perfect. Like my curls was almost a little too perfect for me. But that's how good this product is. Like I really have no cons. The only thing is the packaging. The words on there, they're this gold metallic color and it blends in with the colorway on the product, so it's very hard to read. And if you're like me, like I'm not about to go online and look up how to, look up the product. Like I feel like it's almost just kind of like common sense how to use it. But again, kind of knowing like the tips and their stuff, how they recommend, it definitely can help. But now I kind of know like how to use it for like next time. That's probably the only bad thing I can say. All right, lastly, let's talk about the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. So this one claims to, first is with ceramide and vitamin C and E. It claims to increase hair moisture by 42% after one application, improves ease of combing by 40%, and makes detangling of coils and curls easier by 49%. Again, my hair felt really moisturized. I didn't detangle during this process. Like I'm not the one to detangle like every single step of the way. I feel like I'll do it that one good time. Maybe again later, like if I feel like I, wanting to get smoother result, like if I'm doing twist or something like that. But again, like my hair felt really soft. It felt rich. It did what needed to be done. That's literally how I feel about it. I don't have any cons. And it even complemented with the Camille Rose gel that I ended up using. Like it's not supposed to go with it, but again, I just think that's how good and how much I love the Camille Rose gel. I have a whole video on that, so I'll have it pop up on the screen or it'll be in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out when you get a chance. So I'm definitely wanting to get the jelly. So it's supposed to be like their gel, so I could just imagine what that's like. But I'm trying to finish what I have because I don't want to become a product junkie again. I did that years ago, and yeah, that don't do nothing but hurt your pockets. But yeah, overall, this line, I can't think of anything bad to say. I truly can't. The only thing is the packaging of just regarding of reading like the directions and stuff, you really can't read the words. That's probably like the only thing. Other than that, like my hair did not feel stripped. It felt moisturized the whole time. It was easy to detangle. I just provided the slip. Like I just got the whole shebang. It's definitely going to be something I'm going to incorporate more, just because I do like to alternate the products I put in my hair like every maybe 3 months. All right, and we're back at the end now. So yeah, overall, the As I Am Restore and Repair line is, to me, is very promising. Like it does what it says it serves the hair some justice. My hair did not feel stripped once. It was easy to detangle. It felt moisturized. I don't know. It kind of shocked. It was better than what I initially thought it would be. Not saying that I didn't think it was gonna be good. Like I already liked it the first time when I did use it, but then again, I'm like, it was like reassurance. I really love this product. Like my hair really loves this product. Definitely, I don't know, to me it's 5 stars. I'll definitely use this. I'll definitely recommend it. I'm excited to try their other products. And with that being said, I am going to try their hair coloring one. So that's going to be exciting. That's going to be a follow-up to this one. So I'm not going to do the whole wash thing again. I'm trying not to be repetitive with that unless I'm doing reviews or something like this. I had to use it. I didn't even know they had a temporary hair coloring options until like I was trying to find a shampoo because I could not find it in stores whatsoever. They like all the stores had the same thing, which was like the co-wash, the leave-in conditioner, and then like the Jamaican Black Castor Oil spray. But yeah, when I like went online, I saw that they had like all these other products, and they have like this whole color line, and it's just temporary colors. Guess what color I'm gonna dye my hair? If you follow me on Instagram, you kind of already probably saw a snippet. If you saw my story, like this past weekend, depending on when I upload this video. But yeah, so let me know what you think. Like, have you tried this line? Like, what do you feel about the packaging? And if you tried it, what was the cons for you? Honestly, I can't really pick anything bad about it. I feel like it's just gonna be one of those lines that's like really consistent, and just promising of what it's saying it's gonna do. So yeah, that pretty much sums up this video. I hope you enjoy it, and again, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Help your girl out. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's push it in the algorithm, that way other people can see this. And yeah, all right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.